one nice thing about Teslas, as you can see, we have this alert, all right? What's that? DI_A138, front motor disabled, okay to drive. I've been driving the Cybertruck just fine, but basically we have reduced power because the front motor is disabled. Okay, so they have this. Oh, where'd it go? So, oops, you can swipe it away, but you can see it's there. Okay, front motor, okay to drive. You can push learn more, and then it will tell you what it is in the manual here. So, front motor is unavailable. Power, speed, acceleration may be reduced as your vehicle uses the rear motors to continue driving, right? So in some cases it may be unable to continue driving. So if that happens, then you'll have another vehicle alert basically telling you that. All right, then yeah, may be caused by a temporary condition. So sometimes it might fix itself automatically. And yeah. So it says alert may also indicate a condition required front motor inspection and service. My guess is it's caused by the what do you call the inverter, and let me show you why. Here you can see if you go to service, I already have a service appointment set up, but we'll open this. Okay, what is going on out there? We'll view details. You see the services, so if I tap that, if I go to add another concern, you can see it automatically shows this alert here, and also outstanding work that's like waiting to be done. So if I go into the service one, now it automatically fills out the issues that it saw, and then you just say done, and it will add it to your appointment. So there you can see it shows the alert here, and then we'll confirm. Oh, do I need to do additional concerns can impact appointment? That's fine. Is there a thing I need to accept here? It doesn't have the confirm. Do I need to press something here? Done. It says it was detected on January 8th. It was detected like way before that, but I guess this is the last time it had the alert. So I don't know what this is. I don't need that. It's already all scheduled, so it should just let me continue. But for some reason, it doesn't want to. Let's do that again. Nope. Huh. Interesting. What if I undo this one? Oh, interesting. So pressing the other thingy was making it weird because there's nothing else there. I don't know what this, so I don't know what this other alerts thing is, but if I do that, then you can see it doesn't work. So you don't want to push the other one. And then you can see it has the right one. And there we go, confirm. And there you go, appointment updated. And that's pretty much it. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.